Hello friends, once again Sukesh here. Today in this quick video I'm going to shoot how SAP screens looks like and the important bars on it. Just a basic window I wanted to show you. So here is the login screen of SAP 6.0 and is an IDAS machine. Look at this, which is the client. It's always a mandatory to enter inside. So basically what is a client? The client is an independent unit in R3, which in SAP basis terminology, and the user ID I'm putting in as Sukesh, and the password put in, and language by default English it will be opted by default. If you wanted to log in with Arabic, you can put in AR. So I'm logging in with EN English. I say enter. Now look at the screen. I have been connected to the SAP ECC 6.0 Micro Excel IDAS machine. Here I wanted to take you to the 6 important thing in this complete screen. The first thing is which is the menu, edit, favorite, and you see the extras and systems and help, which is basically called as the menu bar. Okay, and here this one, which is this field, which is called as the T code field or the command field, where this is the place where you communicate to SAP with the transaction code or the T code. And you have the menu bar over here. You can see all the menu bar, print, search, all those options. This is called as the menu bar here. Okay, and the next is the title bar. Okay, the title bar, which SAP Access has been seen, and the application toolbar. And here is a place which you can see, which is the Micro Excel logo, basically called as the screen bar. So there is 2 ways you can always get into work mode or to connect with SAP. Now you can see that I have been already logged in to the system, which is a fresh and the basic screen of SAP 6.0. And here I wanted to quickly show you how do we communicate with one transaction code. Okay, so let me go to the information under the information system. There is something called toolbar. Okay, and there is something called administration, and I go, you have something called user administration. Here you can see SU01 as user, which is something to create an user in SAP IDAS machine or any SAP system. I can either go and double click here. It takes me to a screen which I have an option of creating a user. Put the username here. For example, I can put Sukesh1 because Sukesh has been already logged in here, which you can see on the right hand side. Okay, and here you see Sukesh is user is Sukesh. Client is 800, system is MED, 800 is a client, and the transaction code is SU01. Now if I want to create a user Sukesh1, I can just put this, say click create on click create button. It creates a new user. Change the user, display the user, delete the user, copy the user, lock the user, change the password for this. So these are the options, which is the 7 options which you have in the initial transaction code. So I just go back here /n I put in, so it take me to a new screen again back. Okay, the same way. Now again I am back to the same old field whatever we shown and discussed. Imagine that you wanted to go to the same transaction code which has been shown just few minutes back. You do have an option which is simple S/SU01. You put in this T code, which is the transaction code which SAP understand. Okay, and the easiest way of communicating. It may not be possible for you to remember everything, but hardly per module wise you may come with 30 to 40 T codes, which always when you start using it you will be familiar to it. So SU01, the same transaction code in the menu wise I've been before. So the moment you say I'll just enter, the moment I press enter, it takes me to the same screen, which is the user creation which I have been done. So I have been, if you observe, I have been put /n meaning I was in a different screen and moving to the new screen. So otherwise if you are on a normal direct screen, from here you only need to put SU01. Okay, so it takes directly to this. So that's a quick video about the introduction of an SAP screen, and I'm sure you enjoyed this video. So thank you very much.